In April of 2021, the FAA revised their rules for small UAS nighttime operations. This allows users within the National Airspace System here in America to operate their aircraft under Part 107 at night. Now, there's a couple of different requirements that users must satisfy, and the first one is having taken the Part 107 initial exam after April 6th of 2021. The second requirement is that their drone has a strobe light that is visible out to 3 statute miles during the nighttime. Now, some drones actually have those built into the aircraft, but you can also, if that's not the case, purchase an aftermarket LED that is capable of being seen from 3 miles away. Now, one important aspect of that light is that it has to have a strobing effect, something that is blinking and makes it easier to identify that drone at night. In addition, the FAA says that as the operator of that aircraft, you can reduce the intensity of that lighting at night if you feel that there is a need to do so. However, the FAA does not allow you to extinguish that light while in flight.